If you haven't set up a notification already, now is the time to set up notification. For me, I use Telegram. I'll have a link in the description below on how to set up a Telegram notification. So if something happened to your house, such as the alarm gets triggered, then it will send a notification to Telegram you can receive on your mobile. In Telegram, you can turn on and off the alarm system as desired. Let's set up the alarm mode. To do so, after you restart, click on Configuration, Integration, hit Add Integration. There's alarm mode right there. Click on it. Click on Alarm mode on the left hand side. This is my configuration in the general settings. Trigger time is 1 minute, meaning after the alarm has been triggered, meaning somebody opened the door, it will give you 1 minute before the siren turns on. During the 1 minute, you can enter the code to turn off the alarm completely. If you enter the alarm code wrong, past 1 minute, then the siren turns on. Arm away. When you're turning the alarm system on to go shopping, for instance, it will give you a 50 seconds delay before the alarm actually turns on. Entry time is 50 seconds as well. After you open the door, it will give you 50 seconds to turn off the alarm. Arm home. This allows you to turn on the alarm even though you're in the house. Most likely you're using this while you're sleeping, for instance. So the leave time is none and entry time is none. Meaning if the door is turned on, the door is open, turning on, then the alarm will sound instantly. There is no time to enter the code. Let's go into sensors. These are all the sensors that you saw earlier before. Click on Show All and add to the alarm as necessary. I'm not going to add these two because they're not related to the sensors. I added them already. Here are all my 4 doors and 3 motion sensors. My doors are set to away and home modes. And my motion sensors are set to away mode. So when I set the alarm to home, it ignores the motion sensors. Click on codes. I set it up as needing the alarm code to turn on the alarm as well as turning off the alarm, obviously, because you need the alarm code to turn it off, disarm it. But some people don't need the code if they want to arm it. I can see how useful it is if you have kids because you don't want the kids to accidentally turn on the alarm. You can add new users and assign them more codes by clicking here and then start adding the code. There is already 1 user here. We can add another user and give them the code, another code, and a name. Let's go into action. So whenever my alarm system is armed, it will send me a notification via Telegram, and the message will be, the alarm is now on. When the alarm is triggered, it will turn on the siren. The siren is the Zeus Z-Wave plug. Another action is alarm is disarm. What happens when the alarm is disarmed successfully? After it has been triggered. So of course you want to turn off the siren. And that's basically it for the basic setup. You can get more fancy in the configuration automations. Taking a look at my Telegram, you can see I have it set up so I can turn on the alarm via Telegram when I'm away from the house. This is the Telegram listener alarm away. In the triggers, you'll see the event. Event type is Telegram _ command. The command : / alarm _ away. Meaning in my Telegram, if I type in / alarm _ away, the action will be calling the service to turn the alarm panel to away mode. And the code to do that is 2580. That's the alarm code. How do you turn the alarm off? Here's another example. Telegram listener alarm off. This name can be whatever you want. Let's go down to events for the trigger, Telegram _ command. The command is / alarm _ off. When Telegram receives this command, it will call the service to disarm the alarm panel using this code, 2580. You can turn the siren on and off remotely as well. Here's the command for the Telegram siren on. Using this basic concept, using the same similar concept as before, siren _ on, calling the service to turn on, turning on the Zeus power switch. Alright, I hope this helps everyone setting up their alarm system. If you have any questions, feel free to ask in the comment section.